Okay, good morning. This is number one of international trade. So these are the subjects that we'll be covering today: globalization, trade, comparative advantage, etc., balance of payments, exchange rates, which you've almost already done, LDCs, economic growth, and economic development. But right now we're looking at the international trade section, which is all about globalization. Okay, but your starting point has to be the theory of absolute advantage and the theory of comparative advantage. Now, if you can remember when we did this previously, it is all about if we trade, we increase output. And this was done by David Ricardo, I think in 1776 or whatever. Okay, really easy one to start with. Two countries producing two goods, bread and jam. Okay, right. So country X has half its resources making bread and half jam, and country Y has half its resources making bread and half making jam. Country X is twice as good at making bread and country Y is twice as good at making jam. Okay, so you always trade between the opportunity cost ratios. So in this case, one bread is equal to half a jam, and in this case, one bread is equal to two jam. So we're going to trade between the two of them, so why not trade on a one-on-one basis? Okay, so we have this complete specialization over here. So we go from 10, 5, 5, 10 to 20, 0, 0, 20, and then we trade on a one-on-one basis between the opportunity cost ratios. And if we do that, we get 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10, 10, 10, 10, believe it or not, is bigger than 10, 5, 5, 10. Okay, next one, comparative advantage. This is when a country has an absolute advantage in both goods. So country X is better at bread and jam, but it's 6 times better at bread and only 1.5 times better at jam. 30, 15, 5, 10. So in this case, one bread, half a jam, one bread, two jam, exactly the same as up here. I've chosen these figures to make it simple. Then you have complete specialization, 60, 0, 0, 20. The problem with this is, overall, we have 5 less jam because here we've got 25 jam. Okay, so then we have partial specialization. So they give up 10 units of bread and they make 5 jam because 10 bread is equal to 5 jam. 55, 0, 20. Then we trade on a one-on-one basis, sending 10 this way, 10 that way, and we end up with 40, 15, 10, 10. So trade has led to an increase in output. Therefore, trade is good. This is the basis of the whole of this concept, international trade, number one.